How to manage who can chat with you on Roblox PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage and see who can chat with you on your Roblox account. First thing, go to roblox.com and go here, click on settings. Now after you click on settings, all what you have to do is so simple. Click on privacy and scroll down. You will find who can chat with me, as you can see right here. And all what you have to do here is simple. Just click here on this one and choose no one if you don't want anyone to chat with you, or choose everyone if you want new friends and you want to chat with people. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.